All right, this one is for all you grillers out there. I don't know if you've heard of us, seen our brand or not, but there is a reason we have placed this red brush on the market. We've heard plenty of cases where people have been accidentally hospitalized because they consume little metal bristles from your cheap basic bristle wire brush. We have created this brush to prevent that from happening. What you see here is an aramid fiber material, the same one firefighters use, so you know it is heat resistant. This thing is easily removable, so you can throw it in your dishwasher. Easy snap on as well. We've attached a metal scraper to scrape any of the leftover burnt on food that remains. The handle you see here is super sturdy and fits your hand perfectly. And the coolest thing about this, it is super easy to use. All you have to do is preheat your grill, dip this in cold water, and let the Grill Rescue do its magic. Guys, it is grilling season. If you have not gotten one, go ahead and get yours now.